Guys, what is up? Here I am. I'm in my dad's shop. Actually, it's actually RCSparks Studio number 2, where I come here and like to work on my stuff when I'm visiting with my dad. He has all the tools and stuff here. He has a huge collection of RCs as well. He's been collecting them over the years from my studio as well. He was the one who actually got me into the RC scene when I was very young. Bought me my first Nico buggy, which was just like a Radio Shack special back in the day, if anyone knows and remembers what Radio Shack is. Basically, like, it was a version of the Source electronics, but like the old days. And I fell in love with RCs back in those days. Now, not hobby grade RCs, toy grade RCs, and ever since then, well, if you guys know my channel or channels, then you know I've had a great time with RCs as well. Look at this. Look at my dad in an old friggin' ultralight. That was his ultralight way back in the day. Unbelievable. It's like Michelangelo's flying machine. That's what they used to look like. Over here, look at this. Kaboom! Look at, there's a YouTube Gold poster over there. All the boys here at my dad's shop. And then, of course, his collection of RCs on his shelf. Some of you guys will recognize these. I'll kind of just skim by for you so you can see them. That's the old style Wraith. Look at those beautiful tires on there, hey? The old Poison Spider. And then my dad built this for his birthday. This is the Grand Hauler. I sent him the kit for his very first build. Unbelievable. Then I sent out the reefer trailer. It just had to match. We're going to paint it black like the gunmetal, I think. Maybe he'll paint it yellow, who knows. The Sen Reaper. Here's the old Hobao. This is one of my dad's favorite trucks. This is, out of all the monster trucks, this thing has been the toughest. The Hyper MT Sport Plus. Unbelievable. I had a lot of fun with it, and then I sent it out here, and my dad gives it to other people just to bash around. Here's the Creighton. Oh man, so many of these beautiful machines all in one spot to look at. Jem has Candy and Pinky. My dad now has this amazing red TRX4. This is from Traxxas. This is up on portal axles. This is the G-Wagon. I put the 1.9 Canyon, what is it? The Canyon Trail tires on here from the old Armageddon truck that I had from, well, the original TRX4, one of them, right after the Land Rover. They got discontinued. Look at this. The Traxxas Spartan, guys. This is the original Traxxas Spartan I had in so many videos. Here's my original Thrasher. My dad's 6S LiPo battery there, straight from Max Amps. And of course down into some rally vehicles, and of course a couple of the tanks. Those are IMEX tanks. They are heavy. They shoot pellets. Speaking of tanks, look at this. So many people ask me, where is your tank you put together? Well, my dad actually helped me put this together with the boys at my house, at my studio. And then because it was just sitting around, I was doing YouTube Gold and everything, I said, Dad, you definitely deserve this tank. Like, take it out to your place and have fun with it. And that's exactly what's happening here. Who remembers on my show the Trax or the Sen Colossus, the GSTE? This thing is an absolute insane beast. They don't even make this anymore. But at the time I had 3 of them, so there was plenty to hand off to him as well of spare parts. Now, like everything, I'm trying to get everybody into these small little rides because they're very inexpensive. You know, you can find these for sometimes under $120 US. They are 4x4s, 124 scale, lots and lots of fun, inside, outside. You know, you want to do it for Christmas, whatever. It's a great gift for somebody, and you get a good radio. Battery charger dad's got, of course, the battery, LiPo safe, there, just like that. And today, of all things, I was visiting and I said, okay, well, we got to go to the hobby store in Vernon, BC. That's where my dad lives, or close to there, province of British Columbia. And I went to Make My Fun, which was a great store in the Vernon area. And I went down and picked up a new trail truck. Look at this. Well, new to me. This has been out for a while. This is the MST, the CFX-W. Ready to run. You're like, what? You got another Jeep? How many Jeeps do you need, dude? I fell in love with this immediately. I paid $536.95 Canadian for this bad boy. Look at this. Open it up on the side. Let's have a look on, if we look at the options number first. Look. So 35, 540 motor, pretty straightforward. Waterproof, dustproof, suitable for all weather and racing conditions. That's cool. Well, not racing, but you know, like trailing conditions. It's got a 2.4 gigahertz transmitter. I haven't seen it yet, or radio and receiver. Precision gear, solid framework. Is this waterproof? Powered by Savox. Is this a waterproof servo? It doesn't say waterproof on it, but waterproof receiver box. So if this is waterproof, that is waterproof. I am going to assume right now that this is waterproof. And then the aluminum links is what sold me. It was actually the body that made me say I wanted this truck or Jeep. And it has an all metal transmission on the inside. And kabow! Look at that. I am totally loving it already. Come here, dude. They had to actually box this up. This was on display. And when I saw it, I'm like, well, that'll be going home with me. Look at this. What a baller ride. Just a stubby, but the high cab, as soon as I saw it, I just knew it was going to be mine. Small D-rings on the front. What? Nice. At least they have headlight holes. Like, it looks like I could put LEDs in there. Get a couple of these body pins out. Shout out to the guys that make my fun RC, well, the store. They also have a whole bunch of other like miniatures and a lot of other things you guys can check out. I'll leave a link to their website in the comment or in the description box below. Why do I like this machine? Hey, you're probably looking at this going like, why did you even buy that? It looks so simple and straightforward. That's exactly why I bought this. Why have like a two-stage transmission, locking differentials and everything? It just complicates things. But look at this. All the aluminum links underneath. Portal axle gears. Everybody does portals these days, right? If you don't have a portal axle truck, basically you're being left behind. You're in a different class. I know, that's arguable. To each their own. Max speed technology. Look at the tread, the sidewall tread on this. And I love the way the plastic feels. It doesn't feel like it's got a lack of nylon, which would make a plastic, you know, more brittle if you don't have enough nylon. Look at how beautiful that works. That just looks so nice, hey? So you got this coming up on the channel. Does it have Dean's on it? It does. I should crawl this around for you right now, hey? Why not? Yeah, light buckets for an LED kit. That's good. I'll have to find a light kit. I like having lights inside my RCs. It just gives them an extra bit of reality, hey? Okay, so the radio is way down here. Oh, there's some extra parts in there. Cool. I like spare parts. The radio is pretty straightforward, just on and off right here. It's got some reverse for your throttle and your steering. Got a few of the endpoints adjustment there, so throttle endpoint adjustment, EPA, as well as your steering trim. What is that, a channel 2? Yeah, that's what it says. Cool. Nice. It even came with tools and spare drive shafts and spare body posts in case you want to do some other body. Nice. And decals. What else is in here? Aha! So there's holes to drill. You can put in your mirrors. You can put in a whole bunch of extra stuff on here. Awesome. That's why there's extras to put on. It's kind of like a mini build. Well, not really. It's like minimal effort. Such a nice color on the body. Okay, so on the ESC, it's on the LiPo setting right now. And let's get that glare out so you can see it. And then you can also change the top jumper to be forward, brake, reverse, or forward, brake, or then just forward or reverse. So I'm actually going to just put it to immediate forward, immediate reverse, and that's just removing the jumper altogether, but leaving the one there for the LiPo. 3S LiPo on the inside. Ready to rock after I tuck away the balancing plug. Jeez, it looks tiny beside that big tank. What an insane little ride. Hello, welcome to the family. Wow. That is what I'm talking about right there. That's insane. That's the radio sticking out. That's okay. She's zippy. It's fairly dark out right now, which kind of sucks. Let's go outside anyway. Yeah. Beautiful. Look at the clearance. I love watching suspension articulate. A little bit of speed up onto the gravel. Oh yes! I did not expect it to do that. I thought I was going to be battling just to get up the hill. Okay, let's turn around. I love it already. Out to the wood pile. Now I gotta get the front tire over here. Oh yeah. I know, I'm gonna put all the mirrors and handles on, but I just wanted to get outside and have some fun while there is still a little light. Dude, capable. These aren't small logs either. There, yeah. Like any normal dude, crawl any first pile of anything I find. And then back it up. And gals out there, I shouldn't just say dude. I should just say human. That's top speed. I'm walking, but here. It's an all metal transmission. Comes stock that way. And then all metal links on the bottom. Like, it's just nice. Let's try over here. The round rock. Oh, nice. Dude, going vertical. Hey, Taryn. Oh, look at that. I could tighten up the slipper gear right there. Well, that's easy enough. Basically, the slipper clutch is a, it allows, if you have binding, it allows your motor to turn without damaging the transmission. But if it's not set properly, it'll slip early. Like this. That's okay. It still gives me an opportunity to see what this is like. Ah! Well, then you guys know, check your slipper clutches as soon as you open the box. Install and tighten up that slipper clutch.
Make the coffee and put the water in.
Hi. Did you make coffee?
I made myself a coffee.
Yes.
Put the water in, I put the cup in.
Yes.
Turned it all on. Forgot to put my cup underneath.
Ah.
So I had coffee everywhere.
Ah.
I had about 1/8 of a cup of coffee.
You were wondering why he wasn't here? Now you know.